Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change the message text size on Telegram, so your chats are easier to read and more comfortable for your eyes. If you've ever felt like the text is too small or maybe even too large, Telegram gives you full control to adjust it exactly the way you like. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. This is the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Once you tap it, a side panel will appear with several options. From that menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, look for an option called Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your chats look and feel. Now you'll see a setting labeled Message Text Size. Right next to it, there's a slider you can adjust. Simply drag the slider to the left to make the text smaller, or to the right to make it larger. As you move the slider, you'll notice a preview of the text size changing instantly, so you can pick the size that feels just right for you. Once you're happy with the size, you can simply exit the settings. Telegram automatically saves your changes, so there's nothing else you need to do. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the message text size on Telegram. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore more Telegram customization options to make your experience even better.